They made you doubt yourself. They made you think that you are worthless. But the problem is not what they say about you. That's how much you believe in it. Epictetus said, "No man is free if he is not master of himself." Your self-esteem cannot depend on external approval. You don't need likes. You need control. Want to build real self-esteem? Watch the full video. It's on the channel now. Stoicism is not only philosophy, it is a mirror. Sign up. True self-esteem begins in silence.